Hello kids, welcome to Ovikanha's Art. Today, we are drawing and coloring a cute unicorn cake. Let's start with the drawing. First, draw two happy closed eyes. Then a smiling mouth with pink cheeks. With a golden unicorn horn in the middle and two cute ears on the sides. Now, draw the fluffy cloud. Behind the horn, draw a big rainbow. Finish with a round base at the bottom. Add hanging hearts below the cloud to make it extra adorable. Now, let's color. Color the horn gold. Let's color the base blue and purple. Now let's color the rainbow and hearts with unicorn theme. Pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Golden and the cheeks pink. Wow, your magical unicorn cake looks amazing. Great job, little artist. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and cute drawings. See you next time.